people think because you're quiet, you're weak. That's what people think. No, bitch. No, I'm not.
Sitting in the whip on the strip, get the strip in my windows is tinted, let's go. My backseat ain't empty, we just left the Fendi, we getting it all over the place. This is why I need the family, this is why I need.
Morning. Today is September 16th. I'm here for some plantain. I'm gonna eat it with some bread and egg. But this time I'm gonna eat wheat bread with it because I have too much slices of the white bread and I wanna make it caramel porridge and eat it with it. And after that I'm not eating no pot. I'm not gonna eat no bread for a while. Yeah, I put on the robe. I'm like, why am I not wearing the robe? But yeah, so I'm gonna make some caramel porridge probably either tomorrow or Thursday morning. Yeah. And yeah, it's gonna be a while. I'm not gonna eat no white bread. Well, I bought this white bread from Dollar Tree the other day. I should never did that to be honest. I'm like, I'm like, girl, why are you buying the white bread? I'm trying to get rid of this back fat that I have. I'm buying carbs, like a lot of. Well, I have wheat bread too. Like I said, I bought the wheat bread away from Walmart the other day. I'm gonna buy. I like that one though. I think it's honey, wheat and honey. It's really good. I'm gonna buy it again when I go over there this weekend. I'm gonna give me 2 bags. It's good. I should, as I said, I should never bought that one because. Anyways, yes, I have more plantains here. See, they're good now. It's gonna be the next one I fry. So I don't want here. It's 2 more over here. I have 4 plantains here, so. Yeah, I'm trying these plantains on low because I don't want it to burn up. I don't want them to burn. And then pretty and nice. Even though I do like it a little burnt to it, I'm not gonna lie. On look bun. Not too much. Even sometimes I feel like, oh my god, what happened? But then I still eat because I don't care. So I'm not always planting. Because they burn up a little bit. I burn up too much. Not OD, not like not too much, but the planting they will look black, look a bit black. I'm still gonna eat it. I don't care. But yeah, I'm gonna eat 2 eggs, fry 2 eggs with this, put it on the wheat bread. Oh, it's gonna be so good. You know what? I took out this morning I said I was gonna make some pancakes. The pancake mix right here, and I have the blueberry pancake because I'm gonna pour it in the container. But I'm like, man, I don't feel for that anymore. Because last night I fell for it. I'm like, no, what's to have pancakes? But when I woke up this morning, that's not what my mind was on. So I'm gonna go with what I want. Yeah. I didn't go outside though. I didn't go to Dollar Tree. Get some girl stuff. Need deodorant. Um, some pads. I need some more Himalayan salt. It's finished. And I'll use the iodized one no more. So that's that. Yeah, that's why I'm just checking in. I'm posting all these. I'm putting out these old videos, so I'm not really vlogging like that because I want these old videos to go out. And yeah, I posted a video yesterday from April, and we are in September. Like I don't care. I'm posting them. Somebody will watch them. Pretty sure. But I'm not deleting them. This is why I need to be up to date though. I'm trying to put out by the end of this month. I'm trying to put out every vlog from May. Well, April. I have one more vlog to post from April. I'm gonna post it tomorrow, which is Wednesday. And then the Labor Day vlog I'm gonna post on Friday, and on Monday I'm gonna start fresh with me. Yeah. So by the end of the month, I'm trying to put out May, June, July. Hopefully I could do that. I'm pretty sure I can because I have like 3 vlogs now. I think I have 2 or 3 vlogs that's actually edited because I was editing over the weekend. I was not playing. And I'm like, yeah, I need to get this vlog on my phone. I need to be up to date. So, yeah. I ordered a pot set from Walmart. Is it Walmart or Amazon? I don't remember which one I ordered from. Let me see. It doesn't say. I think it's I don't remember where I ordered it from. I think it was Amazon I ordered it from. And I cannot wait to open it and show y'all. It's so cute. So I have to order another one because these pans, these pots, I don't know. I should never order metal because I feel like metal is not good to cook in. I don't know. I should never order. I should never chose those from. I don't know. Out of every pot set I see on Amazon, I chose those. I don't know why. If I had saw those before, I would have. I'm like, you know what? We gonna buy some. And I still didn't clean my Dutchie pot yet. I was on TikTok this morning looking like how to clean Dutch pot because it's like I was on Walmart at the same time looking for another one because I see one on Walmart for like $13 and I think it's the same size. It was $13.88 and I'm like, should I buy it? I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna try to clean this first, and if it not clean, if it not work, then buy a new one because I don't want to look a long time I've done it, a long time. And it's not like I'm in Jamaica to know how to clean it. That's why I went on TikTok and I'm like, I don't know, Jamaica they use like dirt and something there, right? Dirt, Ajax, something else, and scrub and Scotch Brite. I have Scotch Brite. Maybe I found something there. Where they are? What's the name? Dollar Tree. I mean, I have Ajax. Well, I need more. That's another reason why I'm going to Dollar Tree. So, what time is it? 12:18. So, I'm gonna see. I took my wig last night because I'm like, I don't feel like taking it off, and because I know I had to go outside today. I don't usually sit my wig, but I'm trying to with my short hair. I'm gonna relax it this because I was going to relax over the weekend, but maybe not scratch me. So I'm just scratch up all of my head. And so you can't premiere. So I'm like, damn, you know what I'm supposed to premiere? So I'm gonna relax it. Probably tomorrow or probably tonight or tomorrow. Yeah, I'm gonna figure it out. It's not low. Alright, fancy can come out now. You see they're nice and clean? They're nice and pretty. Yeah, and it's on low, so it's not like it's burning. Yeah, it's good. Alright. Eat the people. Put butter on the toast. Yeah. Now but it like you wet. But it like you wet, but but else, I think about the else sometimes. There. What that man? Sure. I toasted the bread. I'll cut and enjoy it. I leave it there like for 1 o'clock. Because yeah. Finally we found Stanway. It's literally 1:58 p.m. But I was gonna get an iced coffee up here because I see they said iced coffee for $1. All day around chicken place. Curtain. Let me see if they have curtain. How to put it down. What else here? Shower curtain. Not shower curtain. My living room. Curtain. Maybe the windows open. I'm not gonna steal also. I'm gonna close down. It's empty. I need curtains. I don't have. My living room is not long enough. Wait. Okay. This is nice. I like this. I don't have what I want. I will need a store right here. We have such a place right here. I was thinking about getting tattooed, even though I'm still scared. But yeah, I need to get a curtain. I'm talking about going a lot less if they have curtains. And the one that I have is so short. But yeah, all here is a little chilly, man. I need a jacket. I needed a jacket. But now it don't feel like it. But before I went in that store, it was a little nippy. Like when I was waiting for the bus, it was like a little windy with a little cool, chilly with cool, windy. It was a little windy, and it was cool. So I was like, I needed my jacket, but I couldn't go back inside because I was running on time. So I'm gonna walk back home. I'm trying to get my exercise in. I'm gonna walk back home. Hurry up. At 2 o'clock already. So yeah, I'm going to Dollar Tree. I think when I come back up this way, I'm gonna get the ice coffee for $4. Why not? It's a chicken spot. And look at they sell reasonable chicken. If I knew what I came up here with Kimani the other day, you know. I did see that place. It's like so much places up here I forgot. But next time, that's a nice chicken spot. I didn't bring one. I did not bring one this time. We went to Queens, we went to Ricci Party, and we went shopping around my area, but I didn't bring one over here. It's cool. Christmas, you know, Christmas time or Thanksgiving time, one of those. I'm gonna have one, so we can come up here one of those days. I don't know he loves his chicken, even though I'm trying to get him to not eat so much fried food. But he's a teenager. When I was his age, I was eating all that food, so I'm not going to be that strict with him when it comes to food. Because his father feed him whatever. His father cook though. His father cook a lot. So he barely eats fast food. But his father cook. One thing about me, I'm a cook too. So he don't really eat fast food like that. That's why when we do, we indulge. We go in. You see how we do this? These some blueberries. My blueberries is almost finished. I enjoy my breakfast and yeah, we outside. That wind, you see that wind? Stop. Oh, the Mexican street spice. Those are good. So good. I don't think they have it. Oh yeah, they do. I think you might have tried it too. Yeah, I need my jacket. It's the wind. Too much. Alright, I'm gonna see y'all later. Ain't got nothing to talk about. We're going over lot less over there. See what they got for curtains. Cause I need something. Bye. I'm gonna go Dollar Tree first because I gotta plug up this way anyway. Oh, the guy over there with the fruit. Oh, that's over there. Here. I'm gonna go buy food stuff. So I'm gonna wait till I come back up. Then it's when Dollar Tree I wanna do here. So everything under $1. Alright, we're gonna scan this deodorant because okay, what was the point of having this here? So confused. Because everything's at 125. Oh, they have this. I bought this other day in PA. I didn't know they had this here. Like, what? Why is it? They think they're big, you see? Funny. Sweet, some mints, but they don't even. They say it's fat free, but it's not saying sugar free. I want sugar free. And I don't really sell sugar free candy in here. That's on sweet right now. So I bought it before. I might end up taking this one because I don't see the sugar free one. I even took a Sour Patch. This is why I don't want to get a regular candy because this one is regular candy and there's sugar in there. I might end up taking it. I don't care right now. I do care, but if we can't find it, it's a fat free, but you know it's a sugar free. So much is a sugar free, yo. This remind me of Mentos. Peppermint. But they're not sugar free. 30, you see? 30. Oh, great. Alright. We won't keep this one because this one says 13 grams. So, I just need some candy. Slow pops. I don't want slow pops. A bigger bag. They don't have any sugar-free candy in here. What's this? I haven't had these in so long. I want. Sometimes you get tired of it because it's too much cheese. So it's real cheese. So you get cloudy and get tired of it. So I just give it a break. Oh, here it is, sugar-free. I know they have sugar-free in here. It's so small. And you know what's crazy? It's a sugar-free, yeah. How is it sugar-free, but it's on? Oh, sugar, alcohol, 15 grams. I don't understand. I'm gonna buy the regular candy and call it a day. We're not doing that. Frig it, because that don't make no sense. I was on Shein. I was like, I need the ice tray, and look, it's way bigger. And on Shein it's like $2 and change. Look at this. I'm not getting white. I'm gonna get blue because white gonna get. That's gonna be dirty too quick, and I don't want it to be dirty. I need some containers though. Okay, I came down here. Containers. I didn't have the cover for it. None that I want. It's still not here. Okay. Should I buy 2 more of those ones? Or should I leave it? Okay. And an ice tray right here. And it's 2. So we're gonna put that one in. Take this one back out. We're gonna have cover though. I like the cover. Oh. Yeah. I don't know which one to get. That's cute. They got 84 inches is the biggest one they have. The longest one they have. That's not. The one I have right now is 95 and it's too short, so it's not gonna work. I need a hot iced coffee. I'm gonna buy from that store for $1. I'm not even gonna buy the waffle because it's too. I think $2.40 right now. So if I walk home, I mean I still have time. I can still walk. Oh, she's thinking. Wait, I'm gonna get an iced coffee. Yeah, I guess about the situation. Pumpkin is here. Of course, Starbucks got pumpkin. I don't know if I want to try pumpkin spice. I'm not really a big fan. I don't like pumpkin like that. Drink wise, I should say. Even the actual pumpkin, like if you make on pumpkin, you don't really like pumpkin like that. Maybe make pumpkin soup. But to eat it by itself, I like. To me, it's too fresh. I don't. Yeah, not a fan. Not a big fan. But yeah, okay, I'm gonna see y'all when we get to the place. It's cute. $1 flat. It's always one of those things that happens to somebody else. It definitely feels like your soul is sucked out of the body. Let me go, because I gotta go to work. Like the bus not coming no time soon, so I gotta walk. We're walking. They got land over here. They got Zen right here. Across the street from each other. If I knew these places up here the other day, I would have came here for a birthday. No, wait. I think I did know. It was like I forgot, but no. On my birthday, I was really feeling for seafood. That's what I was feeling for. Seafood. Good body, girl. Yeah, we walking home because I need. Dollar Tree don't have tissue, and I need tissue. So we gotta walk to the one at Broadway, and then I gotta go home and do is get dressed for it because I showered already. Anyway, so I'm good. I get home like 4 o'clock. No, I'm gonna get home before 4 o'clock. It was called Emoji Burger. Look. I wonder how that shit tastes. Bye. By the supermarket right here. I came here the other day the big supermarket. And yeah, those strawberries. But I have strawberries already though. But I could buy strawberries to make salad with. I'm gonna buy two. Fresh callaloo. 2.99 a pound. Look what it's for. You know what? When me finish when me eat my callaloo, what I can me buy it. Not factory up there. They have the ice cream or what is it? What is it? Ice cream candy. They have it there. I gotta go try that. I'm going. I'm going there. One of these days. And yeah, go try it. Let's see. I think they have the peach one. Is it peach or mango? One is mango. It's mango. I forgot. That's not how mango. That's not how peach is shaped. Those are mango. So I'm gonna go there. I know it's probably a little pricey. I hope it's not too much. I was gonna try two of them. That's the most I'm gonna try two. Because I know they're probably pricey. If you put something that's viral, you know it's expensive. And you're not buying more than two. I want to try it. So, got a fruit bowl. I was gonna buy it because I have kiwi inside and I just bought strawberries. But I just wanted some dragon fruit, so like let me get it. I am home and the time now is time. Cause I walked home. Let me buy some fruits. I'm bringing this to work to snack on because I don't wanna eat nothing crazy. It's really okay, so it's not that sweet, but it's okay. We drink like that. Because I don't want much sugar. This is what I bought from Dollar Tree. Because alcohol. Oh my god. Ready to work. I didn't really want this deodorant, but Dollar Tree didn't have no other deodorant. And I really it smells good, that's why I bought it. It smells really good. It's Brazilian mist. I rather powder deodorant than this because I just rather powder. They didn't have no powder and this smells really good. It smells like something like grape or something. I don't know. It smells good. But they had another one there and it's aluminum free. Alright, so I went with this one instead of the other one because I have a cover. Even though the other one's two instead of one. Next thing for sure. I'm gonna put up candy. These are the sour patch straws. I think I'm gonna work more some sweet for one. Two fun. That's what I found a while ago. I buy them here instead of the other one because these are more in there than the regular sugar-free one we want. But yeah, I'm gonna put this in the fridge. Look at more smoke the body. I'm gonna put this all out. Now like I have kiwi inside and I'm gonna make apple one and something there. But it's okay. I need this now. Wait, wash minutes. Yeah, we're gonna wash. I'm gonna be ready for work. Leave out. I'm gonna walk because the bus never come no time soon anyway, so that would make no sense. Well, that would make no sense move on the bus. So oh yeah. Alright, this is the strawberries. For that long. Listen, one thing about me, I'm gonna walk. It's not what I was looking for anything. I was walking like walking past and I saw them. I was like $1. I was gonna have blueberries, but that's what I really wanted. But this is for like my yogurt, parfait, and stuff like that. Yeah. All right. So I'm putting it in the fridge. I'm not trying to do this right now, so I'm gonna go in the fridge. Oh yeah, I did make cornbread the other day. I made cornbread yesterday on Monday. Yeah, yesterday I made cornbread. I'm gonna put chia seeds in there. That's the black stuff. That's what your seeds. I wanted to try something. Trying to be healthy with the chia seeds. I think you can put chia seeds in anything. So I still didn't cut the pineapple. I gotta cut that though. The ear jacks. I'm gonna try to come off this pot one of these days. So I'm gonna buy one new one. Because honestly, God, I don't really want to buy one new one because that's a good size Dutch pot, but I don't want to be like that to look crazy. I don't want to throw it away either, so something gotta give. I gotta figure it out. I took it out because I was toasting my bread earlier and I didn't want the car to get burned. So I took it out. But one thing about the broiler, you know. Sure. Let me break. Not even that big. Oh yeah, I'm sorry. Let me get ready. 3:45. This whole time I'm talking the friggin' shit's on. Anyways, put my stuff. I gotta figure in. With my card. My work card. No, the bus pass. About cash, I gotta have cash on me. Let me have to take it in the bag here. Hot sauce. Okay, then. Oh. That I'm all yours. What you waiting for? Promiscuous girl. It's teasing me. And I got what you need. I'm heading to work. I'm listening to Nelly Furtado. Promiscuous. Don't be mad. Don't be me. Don't get me. Don't get mad. Don't get me. I was gonna say some things, but I'm not. I'm gonna keep quiet. All I know is God knows best. God knows best all the time. So like I work with him when I work with all the time. But I'm kind of good. I'm kind of cool with it too because I feel like people that I don't F with. Oh, I'm gonna change my number to September 17 because people been playing on my phone. Because when somebody playing on your phone, that means they know most of your business, right? Like listen to the conversation. Like my phone is act. My phone is like, I'm annoyed. They were at work, but yeah, my phone is act. My phone be act since March, and I didn't even know that. So tomorrow I'm gonna change my number. I will simple that because I'm not gonna give my number to people. I give it to other people that I don't F with, so they can track my phone again. Like yeah, my phone is act, so people tracking me have my location and everything. Like what is when people don't have no life, yo. Anyways, I'm gonna change it. Move on. I'm gonna keep praying. Like, come on, that's some crazy shit. That shit is crazy as hell. It's cool though. Cause God always have me, so I ain't worried about nothing. So people want me to be miserable and all this shit. It's not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen. You're gonna be miserable forever, trying to make me miserable. Anyways, my phone just shut off again while I'm scrolling on Instagram. Good morning. Happy Friday. Let's make some plantains. Some pretty plantains. Yeah. So finally Friday. September 19th. Yeah, September week again. Because I know I have to go in soon. It's now 9:23 a.m. and I have to go in at 12. I'm going to go for juicy patty today. It's been a while since I had some juicy patty. I think I'm gonna try the one on Suffolk though, instead of going all the way to Brooklyn. Yeah, let me try that one because I think it's the same. I think that train take me there. So I hope I can find a Dollar Tree over there because I need to go to Dollar Tree. I'm not going to come over today. I don't know if she's coming over today or tomorrow. She said the weekend. Maybe it's tomorrow. Um, yeah, I'm gonna eat some plantain and egg. Yeah. Oh my god, I made a parfait for work yesterday. Oh, I'm gonna make it again today because I'm not. I had I had chia seeds. I had no. I had strawberries. I put a lot of chia seeds, like to like, and then add the yogurt and had add some of this. It was so good, but I feel like I'm breaking out from it. And then I woke up with this morning, a blister. Whatever, the weather is changing. So, um, it wasn't like, oh, it's herpes. Not herpes. Always herpes if you're celibate. Make it make sense. When you're not in um doing no sexual thing, it's not herpes. As I always say, people go, oh, it's herpes, herpes, not herpes. Yeah, I'm gonna make a smoothie too because I got my yeah. So I'm gonna make another parfait for work. I'm gonna make a big one this time because yesterday I bought it in this container. Come on now, this one. So I'm gonna make it. I forgot I had this. I don't know. I bought it the other day from Dollar Tree. I forgot I had it. But yeah, I'm gonna hurry up. Oh, I'm leaving it at 9 o'clock at least. So okay, take a look. 10 minutes shower. I'm good. The air will do already. So yeah, but I'm gonna make it. I'll say I'm gonna post a video today. And then oh yeah, I'm off. I'm off Monday. I'm gonna try. And I'm about to tell you my business. What I'm about to do. No, what am I doing? I know I'm not supposed to do that, but anyways. Yeah. Yeah, I'm at the parfait. Yeah, so it was so good yesterday. The chia seeds, it looked make it look the chia seeds and the yogurt. It looked like chia pudding, but it looked oh my god, eh, it tastes so good. Like I said, I'm breaking out from it this morning. You see, you see. Oh, it was a bit early, so I was. Anyway, I put some eye mask on because I'm annoyed with these damn dark circles. I'll fry my egg first, and then I'll put the dark circles on. The dark circles on. I'm gonna put these on. Yeah, I had them in the fridge because I know I needed to eat. So I didn't cut my pineapple. What's wrong with me? I'm gonna put it today. I'm gonna come from work. Today I'm gonna make a salad. Okay, we got 2 eggs left in this tray. Okay, I know there's another egg down there. Um, let's see. Could drink some water. All right, y'all. Yeah, y'all hear the rain sound in the background? That's why I sleep with. I sleep with that on. That give me supposed to be rested. Yeah, the rain sound make you fall asleep quick. But I was to bed like after 12. Cause you know what? Cause last time when I came in, I said I'm gonna go to sleep right away. I didn't. I'm like, you know what? Let me get a little minute on the phone. 30 minutes. But whatever. I know to each his own, but I don't know how you fry your egg in so much oil. I can't do it. Either look at the oil or butter. Mostly butter you use. And drain this whole pot out. But whatever oil is left in there, I just add the butter because this pot is not non-stick. So add the butter. But I'm using olive oil butter. Honestly, I love parquet, but I haven't seen parquet at Walmart. They only have it in the tube, and I want a tube. I want a container like this. I haven't seen it in a while, and I love how it tastes on bread. Yeah, we're gonna put some butter in the pot. I want 2 eggs. Yep, 2. I don't got no rice left. My rice is done. If you want to make me look like I'm the bad person, and if I come out and hear this shit out, they ain't gonna like it. So, if I hear everybody shit out, oh child, I want to got some people different. But I keep my mouth shut over here. I don't say shit. Because people just want to enjoy it on to a level. But the day I push my button to that point, I'm going to say some shit and I'm not going to give a fuck. I don't care. I had too many times to play with my face. Too many damn times. And when somebody's fed up, they fed up, child. Okay? Don't play with nice people like me. When we quiet, because people think because you're quiet, you're weak. That's what people think. No, bitch. No, I'm not. Because when I come for your ass, you're going to be the whole truth and nothing but the truth. I'm going to give it raw, uncut, everything. Don't play with me. Nah. stay with me. And another thing, I don't need to lie for anything, for nothing. I don't care for attention from people. I don't live for attention. Okay, so I don't care to lie. You either believe me or you don't. It is what it is, and I don't care if you don't believe me either. Why is popping? Anyway, yeah. Hey y'all, happy Saturday. Today's September 20th. I just went off here to get a package. But it was a T-Move. And I'm excited because I've been waiting on these frames. Wait, I'm not from this. Oh, that's how someone got going on. Let me show you the first one. My mama. I got it from September, y'all. I love it. Peace to my mommy. I love her so much. I'm gonna hang it over there, so when I sit on the couch, I can look at her. Look at this size. I forgot what size this was. Actually, I wanted to go bigger, like way bigger. Look at this other one. Yeah, my auntie. Rest in peace to my auntie. I have another frame coming from Shein. Is it Shein? Yeah, Shein. Where I have it's like a collage of 3 people that passed away. It's crazy. You know what? My grandfather passed away 2009? 2009? Or 10? I think it was, I don't remember. But I don't have a picture of my grandfather. So he couldn't be on the... Oh, wait a minute. Wait. Dang, what is... Oh my God, I just remember. I have the friggin', I still have his funeral program. I should have looked in there. I feel bad. I totally forgot all about that. Yeah. Because, the friend that I have is my mom. Well, in order. Well, yeah. No, my grandmother, of course, but she's the head of everybody. So my grandmother was first. I think I put my mom in, and I don't remember who I put first. It don't even matter. I just know my grandmother had to go first because she's, the head of everybody. But yeah, I had a frame with like a collage with 3 of my family members that passed away. Well, my intimate. That's what it said. Are you follow? Is it intimate? The close family member. This is a tissue thing older to put on the coffee table. So napkins, you know. I don't need my good knife. Then why? No, I'm thinking like, why did I thought I should have kept one of those Dollar Tree knives. Oh shit. The one I'm about to open these. But whatever, no matter. Yeah, it's actually bigger than I thought it was gonna be small. I'm glad it's a good size. Oh yeah, these are just to put napkins in. I'm gonna put it on the screen. It's cute. It's a good size, like I said. I like it. And with the thing inside, you can hear it. It's like a wiry thing. What's that for? I got to do that part for it because I don't. Yeah. There's 2 colors, black and white. So I should have got white, but black we do. Whatever. I will got some work pants. 2 more work pants. I'm gonna put them on the screen. Actually, I could have left one. I don't know why I bought more of these because I didn't need it. This is the carpet carpet stickies. Yeah, for the carpet. And I bought another work shirt. This is a long sleeve. And I bought, what is this? I think this is a thing from a key ring. The key ring for my yep, me and my mama. Wait, did I order one? I think I ordered one from Shein, Yeah, for my keychain. Well, not key. I just had my key just now. Where did I put it? Just had it. Here it is. So for me and my son. I'll put me and my mom. My mom there. I'm watching the video of the Parkway. actually clearer than the other one. Look at this one. I mean, it still look good, but this one is actually really clear. Y'all can see how the picture looks. It's both sides too. So that's good. Alrighty. I bought a tweezer. I can't find the one that I have, so I'm like, I need one for my lashes on. I bought this bag. It was cheap. I'm like, I'm gonna get it. It's a Mickey Mouse bag. It's small. That's how small it is. Oh wait. I paid $2 or $3 for this bag. Look how small it is. I didn't know it was that small. Can't go on my shoulder. Oh, child. Oh. Yeah. Cutie. Cutie patootie. Oh, yeah, I bought ties. But that's the I mean, wearing my tie was not working. I mean, the Velcro was not working. So, yeah, I bought two more ties. Because I haven't been wearing ties for like a couple weeks now. It don't matter though. But I didn't want any ties. So I bought two of them. Because I bought one leg this the other day. My last order from Temu, and the shit popped. I don't know if I was pulling it too hard or what, but it popped. So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna be gentle this time. And if this is not a Velcro, obviously I see it's not a Velcro. It's just adjustable. So I like that. And I bought an extra one just in case something happens. I don't got time. What is this? Oh, this is like when you wear a dress and the strap is loose. You put it right here. You put it right here on your above your breast, or you put it right here above your breast, and you just keep the dress down. That's all. The strap down, so up here won't be loose on the strap on the dress, or not just dress, on the clothes. What's that? Oh, the umbrella. It's an umbrella. Watermelon, because if you know me, you know I love me some watermelon. I had to buy. Oh, okay. I'm about to say not just because I thought it was black. I'm like, hold on, that's not how I saw on the screen online. Don't play with me. Not me just buying it just because the thing is watermelon. I had to. Yeah, I like it. I need a new umbrella. My other umbrella is done. Can't I show the one there right now? The blue one. Oh God, the Velcro and everything messed up. It looks terrible. But it was working still. It works. Where is it? See here? See here? Look at it. Look at Velcro. Look at everything. It's going the way, but I'm like, let me get a new umbrella. It's cheap. So. What is that? I dropped it. Oh yeah, I bought a lighter finally. Chargeable. This was $3. You know I got blue. Yeah, y'all know why. Yeah, because it's my favorite color. And other reasons. Yeah, that's my little quick haul. That's it. That's what I ordered. It wasn't much. Oh yeah, I don't know. I bought Snake on a Ladder. You know what I'm gonna play Snake on a Ladder? I'll show you my game box, my game in the, because the cover here will have like it's when you open it, you will put stuff in the bottom. So I'm gonna put it right there. That's it. That's what I was gonna come and show you, but look at my picture. Oh my God, I can always put this on the wall right now. I'm about to do it right now, actually. So see, my mama. I think I ordered a keychain with me and my aunt, just like this with this. Ordered a keychain. No, this is not a picture of me and my aunt. We don't really have much pictures together. This is like way when we used to go back to Jamaica often, back in the day. So you can see she looks so young. I love her smile. I miss my auntie so much. I miss all my family members so much that passed away. You know when when you could just go through life and think like, oh, you haven't do anything evil. You haven't do anything evil to anybody. So you're not living with a guilty conscience, and you're not living. You're literally living with a clean heart. That's how I feel right now. Other people walking around like life is good and life is not, because they have guilty conscience of what they did to people. But me on the other hand, I'm glad my conscience is clean. I don't do nothing evil. I ain't perfect. I've crossed people over before, whatever the case is. Not, matter of fact, not people, one person. And all I know is my heart clean. I'm gonna keep saying this. I'm not a hater. I don't hate on people. I don't hate on people. I'm not jealous of nobody. I don't envy nobody. I don't hate nobody. Hate is a strong word. Like hate will literally take up your heart for you to do evil shit to people. I don't have time for that. You really gotta be a really jealous, mentally unstable person to hurt people, especially people that's your family. Oh, like God knows my heart. God knows my heart. That's what I'm gonna say. God knows my heart. I don't know about nobody else's. God knows my heart. Cause I ain't walking around with no guilty conscience about nobody. My heart is clean. I know when I die, I'm going to heaven. I know that for sure. I don't know. Listen, like, of course, everybody's sin. Of course, like I said, I ain't perfect, but once you do shit, the evil things to people, and then you don't repent, and then you continue to do evil, it's gonna get up to you. It's gonna catch up to you, and then your life is effed up, and then judgment day when God come, you on God. You on God. You on God. But whatever. That's all I have to say. I'm gonna put up my frame on my wall of my mama. I love my mama's smile. I'm glad this came. Oh, I'm so glad this came right now. Because I don't have nothing on that side of the wall. Only just that one Jamaica frame. Oh, y'all can see it? Oh, y'all can't see it. But it's that one Jamaica frame over there. That's what I have. I'm not going to put these on that side of the wall. I'll show y'all the pants. I was going to show y'all, but it's not on the pocket. Oh, the back side. I like these pants the way they go to work. But they're not on the pocket. See? Oh, it's stretchy. Hey, yeah, I bought the right size. Because, baby, my thoughts. I ate a salad today. I ate a salad yesterday, too. And I'm good. Oh yeah, these is, I keep buying pants that don't have no pocket. Is this bell bottoms? He's looking like bell bottoms. Somewhat. Not too much, but whatever, man. It will work. Oh, my shirt got pockets. Okay, if I'm not gonna have, because I need somewhere to put my phone. I know what I'm gonna do. I gotta wear pants with a pocket, and then if the shirt don't got a pocket, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Why this one looks so short? I think it's like the same. Oh no, this one is different. This one got pockets. Yeah, it's similar, but you got pockets. Yeah, that's about it. I'm so glad. I'm gonna try this right now because I'm so glad I needed the one because I'm tired of buying them one from Dollar Tree. It don't make sense to keep buying them from Dollar Tree because this one is $2 or $3 and change, and it's rechargeable. So you know. Here it is. There's the power button right here. Oh, it's on. So, yeah, I think it needs to be charged. Yeah, it needs to be charged. I'm gonna charge it. Put it right here. I'm gonna charge it right now, actually. I put up a candle. Oh, I wash my hair. That's why I got this thing on my head. I need to go clean up the bathroom and then go shower. I want to go outside, but I need to re-look over that video I'm gonna post tomorrow, Sunday. Posted the video yesterday or last night. The next video I'm gonna post tomorrow though, Sunday, is gonna be the Labor Day vlog. So I'm gonna look it over. I already watched it already and edited everything. I just want to look it over one more time and make the thumbnail. But yeah, y'all, that's it. That is it. I can't believe this bag is so small. I was hoping, and I know it. Oh, I forgot to see look inside. Of course, no one with damn inside pocket. I was hoping it did. I was hoping it did. But everything's gonna be thrown in my bag. That's all. Throw everything in there. Throw it in the bag. Just throw it in the bag. I'm so glad I got my mama thing. I'm glad I have it. Yeah. Now my keychain is completed. I wasn't the type of person that take pictures. I'm the type of person that take videos with people that more than pictures. So I don't really have. I have a video with my grandmother, but she's like behind me. Can't really see her face that much, but you can see her face, but not. She's like behind me. Like I'm sitting on the porch. We're sitting on the porch, but she on the other side. of the porch. Well, Jimmy also has a veranda. Yeah. So she up on the veranda and made some in front of her, but I just took a picture like this. And it was an old picture like back in the day. I think when I went for my grandfather's funeral. Yeah, I wasn't really like a picture person like that because I rather take videos more than pictures when it comes to people. But this is, you know, a long, I have this on here. I have on TikTok. The mat. It's spread out. I'm going to place where I'm supposed to do it. I'm still not doing it. I'm at the door right now. Okay. See? He's like, I'm not about a vacuum. It's supposed to be a big one, but wait. You put up these pictures first and then, yeah. Like, I love these canvas. Oh, love them. But it comes with tools in the back we need to use for them. So, you just move that. Look there, yeah, my mother. Yeah, my auntie. Yeah. More pictures coming to fill up the space. So, yep. Looks good. I love it. This now, we need more curtain because we need a bigger curtain because this shit is not long enough. You see how far you go? We need a different size curtain. This is 95 long and 30 wide. So you know, it don't fit. But this is how this wall over here look. And over here. Cause the people then wall. When I get back my security deposit. I have to get back some. I don't want to go scratch. But that's that. I really was like, now I wish that picture was so much bigger now. Because we're gonna fill up the whole space. But it don't look bad still. Yeah. Watch out. Look at something rise up. What's on over there so? Look how big it is. Look how all that bird in line up. Watch them. All the way around. Long as they know over here, I'm good. Stay one of them. It's set to allow it 2 to 3 days for it to go to the original size. I'll be big enough cause I know. So nice. Yeah, I love this color. This is the color I chose. But hopefully long enough, big enough. Wait. I saw it on the TV on earlier. Oh, wow, that's it. That's it. That's all I got. I thought it was gonna be bigger than this. Not to no lie. Well, this here wait 2 or 3 days. It's soft and nice. That's the size I got. Wish it was a little bit wider to that side, but we see in 2 to 3 days. It's pretty though. Y'all see it? Yeah, I wanted this design. I don't care if it don't go with the couch. That's what I wanted. It's so soft. See what the instruction says. It's vacuum sealed. Laying the rug flat in a well ventilated place for at least 2 to 3 days before first use. Oh crap. Allow it to return to its original shape and size. Well, we'll see if it's gonna stretch. Look how beautiful it is. I love this rug. Oh, so pretty. Yeah. Show you how it look with the thing on there. Coffee table. Nice. Yeah. Let me take that candle off. I need a new candle. I need to go under here and get a new candle. Get this one. We're gonna try this one today. Peach rose. I'll pick up this because it burn out. And we're gonna light this one. Alright, so I have a a vacuum because I bought a vacuum from Walmart, so vacuum of the couch and a pot set and the balcony privacy shield thing. Let me show you the vacuum because I'm not gonna do the couch right now. Let's see how it works. So let's open this vacuum. I'm gonna, I don't know. That's how it looks. It's like a Vico, but it's a personal vacuum. For dry or wet use, wireless Vico vacuum. Listen, I don't think it's a Vico. It's gonna work for this couch. Yeah, like the manual. It's chargeable with the hose. Some mouthpiece. Yeah, this is the one that getting the creases. No, actually this one. This one getting the creases. Here it is. Look. It is 4 pieces. Here it is. Ready to be used. Let's try it. We're gonna try it today. Alright, we're gonna put on. So easy to put on. Love this. Should I try this one? Yeah, this one is the better one too. Wait, the other piece. Where these holes go? Oh, I figured this out. I'll read this book. Okay. Let's try it. I wanna try it. My couch look right now. Let's see if it works. It's gonna take forever. So, the pieces. Surprise! I done my hair, but I've been cutting my hair. I cut my hair in March. I honestly wanted to relax it, but I'm scared. But I did buy a relaxer from Walmart like a month now. But I'm scared to relax it. Somebody told me that I could use the keratin treatment, but I was watching the videos on TikTok today, and I see that this is like it's hard to do. It's like it's best you go to the salon to do it. I don't know. For the relaxer now, it's like it causes cancer and all this stuff. So I'm like, damn, man. Like I really want to relax my hair. I'm not going to lie. So I've been bought the thing, and then I keep on scratching my hair. So that's why I keep delaying me to actually do it, because you can't do it while your hair is scratched. Because you know, you're gonna get burns. Today's the time right now. 5 o'clock. That candle, oh, smells so good. Peach rose. Oh yeah, I'm gonna let this sit for like 20 minutes timer, and then I'm turning my phone number tomorrow. Hey Siri. Set a timer for 20 minutes, please. My new phone. This phone I'm gonna switch my shit to, because people on my phone on this phone right here, and I don't got time. Changing my number, changing the phone, everything. Anyways, yeah. But should I put more in there? Is it good enough? I don't know. I might put a little bit, because I want it to be really dark. I should use a burgundy. I'm gonna do the burgundy one day, just to see how it look on my face. And I never did my natural hair burgundy before. I always use black. I should have did that when I had relaxer. Oh man. Oh, back then when my hair was so long. Oh, back in the day, before I had my kid, before like 2000, in the early 2000s, like 2005. Well, my hair been long all my childhood. I don't know what I'm talking about. Until I cut it. Alright, so we're gonna put this timer on now. Hopefully, I'm gonna show you the back. Hopefully the back is, done. So yeah, I'm gonna use one of these bags. Hopefully fit. I didn't want to use my shower cap because it's a good shower cap. I really want to use that shower cap, so I'm gonna just double it. Frigate. See? Alright, so for dinner, I'm gonna eat this for dinner. I was gonna make some macaroni dumpling, but I don't know. So I make that with some sweet potato and mixed vegetables for dinner. I was gonna make macaroni dumpling. I'm planting because I have 3 planting right here. I should just make that. I make that tomorrow. But I'm cook today, I'm not cook tomorrow. That's the thing. I don't come in the kitchen and cook back to back. I cook for the whole time, the whole day. I make it last me for like 2 to 3, but like at least 3 days. Or 4 days. So I'm trying to see what I'm gonna do. I figure it out. I'm indecisive right now. Ooh, smells so good. Here's my food. I get the mix of pasta. I do that sometimes. Wheat and regular together. And I'm eating before 7, so I'm good. 6:48 p.m. I'm watching the old school show in the back. Plantain, sweet potato. I'm tired. I can never finish to leave. Every time I go through this shit. Every year. Anyways, I showered. I'm clean. That was a eye gel. Why did I do that? I'm clean. I'm trying to get my lashes back because I think I put too much glue on it yesterday. Did I have glue on this too? Is that glue? I think I put some glue on it. Yep. Anyways, I'll take that off later. My hair is washed. I'm so tired. Me watching Living Single. I'm gonna look over this video so I can post it tomorrow. I think I'm gonna go to bed early today because I cleaned the bathroom. I cooked. I was catching up on Sisters because I know I finished season 8, but it's been so long since I watched Sisters. It's been a couple months since I watched Sisters, so I need to start on the new season. I didn't want to start the new season yet, so I went back to season 8, and I was watching. I think I started at the 9th episode or 10th episode. 8 or 9 episode. I don't remember which one I started at. What? Yeah, I'm gonna work in the living room and watch it. But I'm just laying down for a little bit because I'm like, damn, I've been moving around all day since I got up. I was only trying to I ate a salad when I got up. That's what I ate for lunch. I didn't eat no breakfast. I drank tea, I ate a salad, and yeah. I was gonna eat and just sit down, but then I started opening the boxes and I started just doing a lot of shit. So no, I'm so tired. Oh my god. Yeah. I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. Checking out. Hey y'all. Today is September 24th. I just changed my number because people playing on my phone and I don't got time for the BS. I'm living in my peace right now and nobody's not gonna disrupt it. Nobody. So yeah. I need something to eat though. Vibes. What is it? Say vibes. Vibes cards. Oh yeah, I cut the hair. I didn't cut the hair. Okay, I've been down here before. I'm bugging. I gotta walk down this aisle this way because I just passed the UPS store that I went to a couple vlogs ago. I'm thinking I didn't come down this way. But yeah, I'm gonna, I'm season something. So I didn't work today. I was off today. I worked yesterday. Right. Today's Tuesday. Yeah. So I'm gonna. This one is Avenue. I want a curtain, but I don't see the. I'm gonna go to the end of the block and then that's it. I feel like I want to get something. No, I'm not. I was gonna buy food, but I'm not because I've been seasoning up chicken earlier. I'm gonna cook. Just eat my chicken with vegetables. That's what I want to do. Cold Stone right here. I buy no ice cream. I'm gonna walk back home because I'm not going further. Chubby churches and chicken. Yeah, I'm going on the cook. I'm gonna walk home though. I might stop at Dollar Tree because I think I need some. I'm gonna start the oil pulling with the coconut oil. They said it's good though. Clean out whatever you got in your teeth. This is better, and it's gonna be better when you go to the dentist. So I'm gonna go get 2. Should I wait till? I'm gonna get 1. I'll get a good container from Walmart this weekend. So yeah, but I want to start now. But I want to do it when it's melted, not when it's clumped. So no. But this is my new phone I'm on. I'm gonna sell the other one. Yep. Alright, yeah. I'm gonna go home and cook my chicken. I'm just gonna eat chicken with no carbs. Just chicken and vegetables, like I said. I'm gonna eat jump my jerk. All along. They got jump my jerk here in Astoria. A long time I didn't eat it, you know, but whatever they sell, I can make it. I'm about to go home and cook right now anyways. So I'm not about to buy that. They got a lot of nice restaurants over here. I kind of record nobody, but I gotta go to Dollar Tree. We're going to Dollar Tree. Dinner. Sweet potato. Pan. Barbecue chicken. And some caramelized vegetables. Roasted. Trying not to eat no rice or nothing today. Adjusting that. My lips stink. This is so cute. Yeah, we in Home Goods. Yeah, we're about to go to Walmart. Been in here for a while. Today's September 27. Yeah. I'm just about. Let me see. I'm trying to see if I should buy this sea moss. Vitamins. It's $7.99. I'm just get it and go. I really think I should get it. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, do I need it? I have beetroot supplements. This is nice. I should get this. That's so nice. I like that frame. Money ready to go. So cute right here. So cute. We on the line. Waiting. Just waiting. This is so cute. I saw some other ones back there. I was making a TikTok. I'm like, let me start a vlog. But these are so cute. Let me see these. She's pretty. She's cute. She's cute. She's freaking cute. Look cute. You got the blueberry one. Fruity Tooty.
Cashier number 3.
Hello. Eggs. The price is $6. $7. Not much. That's what we have right now. 120. All of a sudden, my son want ice cream. But we got wheat. We got got honey wheat too. Got the regular white bread. We got pizza. We got a lot of stuff. We got salmon. We got fish. Alright. These bread over here they hard. You got the wheat one? I bought a little wheat one because I'm not trying to eat no white bread. So I bought this wheat one. Where is it? This one right here. This is nice. I like this bread. The price? The price is $2. Best used by 9:30. Oh my god, I have 3 ACDs bread out. Wow. Hold on, still got different dates. These are even more. These is more bread than the other one. It's soft. These ones are really color. Alright, put this one back. So Swirl got some new flavors. They got pumpkin spice, brown sugar, cinnamon. Oh, I don't like that. They got French toast. Oh, that probably tastes good. Regular cinnamon. I feel like brown sugar cinnamon is too sweet. Let me see how much sugar in there. It's giving that. Oh, 7 grams. Okay, not bad. They got the raisin cinnamon. But I think I want to try this because I love me some blueberry. Of course, lemon and blueberry together is healthy anyways. So, yeah, I want to try this. How much is it? Oh, $3.47. That is not bad. My papa. Look at the cards. Okay. 324. Here's the groceries from Walmart. Jasmine rice over there. We got the eggs. We got the sweet potatoes. We got 2 sweet potato fries. Sweet potato fries, 2 of them. I did get the bread, yeah. I don't know if I show y'all this. I think I showed TikTok, but this bread, I had to try it because it's blueberry. Get some crackers, because, you know, Jamaican, we have to get the crackers. We have to get the crackers. Two cream crackers and 1 Excelsior. These was on sale for $1, so I had to get it. I needed this. I just save time instead of buying the one from Dollar Tree. This was $12 and change, but whatever, it's gonna be worth it. Oh my ground cinnamon, I needed fresh ground cinnamon because I'm gonna throw the other one. About 2 of these. I bought this was way cheaper and bigger than the Nutella, and I'm like, this was $2 and change. The Nutella was like $4 or $5. I was like, got this because I love these drinks. Got these wheat bread. I gotta eat them before the 29th. Got 2 days to eat these up. I'm gonna do it though. Yeah, I just feel like buying that one. I feel like buying the big one. Yeah. Peppers. That. Jerk season over here. So dry jerk seasoning. 2 cucumbers. Butter. Scallion. Corn on the cob. Shrimp. Celery. Yeah, that's about it. Oh, the eggs right here. That's it. Since I just showed TikTok that the eggs did not break, I'm gonna show y'all too. Come on, man. None of them broke. None of them not broke. Because last time somebody was hating, the people in the TikTok in the comments was hating, talking about, oh, they sell their price because all of them broken. I'm like, that don't make no sense, girl. So I'm like, let's open it together. And there was only one that was cracked. She feeling her like that. And then somebody was like, oh, one is cracked. Okay, I see it. I'm not blind. That was really hating that way where y'all live at. Y'all don't get the eggs for this price. That's all. Anyways, eggs. Good eggs. Alright, so I'm tired. I'm down in bed. Drink some tea. Let me eat already. Drink some tea and relax. I will go to church tomorrow. I'm trying my best to get up early and go to church for the 10:30 service. It's like probably 5 blocks. Alright, so I'm gonna get bye. Hey y'all, we just finished laundry. So I'm about to go inside and relax for like an hour before work. I probably did it yesterday, but my body was tired, so I didn't do nothing. I relaxed the whole day. Because my body was drained from Saturday, so yeah. A lot of traveling back and forth. Look what I just came in and made. A quick little salad before I go to work because I'm hungry. I don't want to buy 2 eggs, but I'm out of time, so I'm gonna eat this and relax for like 20 minutes before I get ready to go to work. See y'all later.